Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to upgrade this electrical outlet with a double outlet. This is a simple tutorial and I will do my best to explain you so you can do this at home without calling electrician. But before we start, make sure that you make safety precautions and that there is no electricity in your outlet. Okay, let's get to work. First we will take the old outlet. Simply unscrew the cover of the outlet using Phillips screwdriver. Remove the plastic cover. Then we have two more screws inside outlet. Then take away the old outlet from the wall. Next step is to release the wires. Okay, we release blue wire as a neutral, brown wire as line or hot wire, and green-yellow wire as a ground or earth. Next step is to unpack double electrical outlet. As you see, from the back, both outlets on double outlet is short-circuited, so the only thing that we need to wire are only 3 terminals on double outlet. Okay, let's remove the plastic cover on our new outlet. There is a terminal for ground, and 2 terminals for hot wire and neutral wire. It doesn't matter where shall we connect neutral and line to the left or right side. Release the screws so we can put our wires into them. This step is optional. If your wires have a space to shorten them or if wires are damaged on one end, do this to make sure that you have a good connection between terminals and wires. Simply cut a damaged ends with wire cutter and use a wire stripper to strip every of your 3 wires. What tool do you use for stripping wires? Let me know in the comments below. Link to my wire cutter is left in description. Okay, now we are connecting wires to our new double outlet. First we are connecting ground wire to terminal on new outlet. Depends on outlet manufacturer. You can always easily find the terminal on outlet for ground by symbol for earth. The other 2 wires goes from the left and from the right side of ground. Just make sure to tight the screws on terminals enough so the wires won't jump outside. If you didn't already subscribe, hit button below for more interesting videos like this. Okay, that's it. The only thing that is left to put back everything into the wall. Simply take in those 2 screws and put back plastic cover. Remember, safety is key when working with electricity, so always make sure the power is off before you start working. There is only left to level our electrical outlet. We can easily do this by putting vertically our level next to the new installed outlet and tighten the 2 remaining screw-on plastic. We succeeded to upgrade our single outlet to double outlet. I hope that you find this video useful and helpful. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Bye and see you in the next video.